Okay, we've been talking about words long, short, longer, shorter, longest, shortest. What about tall and small? What does tall mean? When you measure something that's tall, do you measure it this way or do you measure it this way? Yeah, we're going to do height. So tall. So I want you to play around and I want you to make me a tower that's tall and then a tower that's taller and then a tower that's tallest. I wonder if you can do it. So I need to see tall, taller, tallest. Yeah. And in your family, who's tall, who's taller, and who's tallest? Could you draw a picture of your family and put whoever is tall first, then find somebody that's taller than them second, then find someone that's tallest third. For example, my daughter Charlotte is 14 and she's taller than me. So Miss Hake would draw herself first in the picture. I'm tall. And then I draw Charlotte and she'd be taller. Yeah, and there's only two of us in the household, so I can only get to tall and taller. And that's okay too. All right, have some fun trying to construct towers that are tall, taller, and tallest, and then draw your family. And maybe if you're in a classroom right now, you can do a height line. Could you do a line with everybody in your room from tall to tallest? I wonder who's going to be at the very end, and I wonder who's going to be the very tallest. I don't know. All right, have so much fun investigating the height of different things. Bye.